Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2004 Ford Excursion. The engine coolant reservoir is quick to find in the front of the engine bay. With an open view to the fluid level markers and open access to both the cap and the upper radiator hose, monitoring the entire coolant system will be a very straightforward procedure. The transmission fluid dipstick is quick to find towards the top left portion of the engine bay. The unobstructed access to the dipstick tube will allow you to replace the dipstick without hassle after checking the fluid level. The engine air filter housing disconnects from the vehicle without the use of tools, and, despite its odd shape, lifts up easily to allow you quick access to the filter. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. For access to the front turn signal lights and parking lights, the entire bulb housing will need to be taken out of the vehicle. This will be challenging on account of the tight reaches you'll need to make for the housing's fasteners, which will make for a lengthier procedure overall. To access any of the tail lights, including the center brake light, the entire bulb housing will need to be taken out of the vehicle. Changing the bulbs will require tools and prove to be a time-consuming process. The anchor points for latching a child seat to the rear of the vehicle are not clearly marked and are a hassle to reach. Securing a child seat will end up being a tedious procedure. Overall, the 2004 Ford Excursion is a somewhat easy truck to maintain, but prospective owners should be prepared for a handful of time-consuming repairs.